So these are the ingredients for making a snail. Here we have some celery. I have 2.5 pieces, some cucumber, some little raisins, some peanut butter, and some cream cheese. So first, you don't need both of these ingredients, you only need one, but I'm going to show you with both. So first we're going to have, this is going to be the bottom of our snail. So first what we need to do is take some peanut butter or cream cheese on the back of our spoon, and we're going to spread it down the middle of down this middle part of our celery. Like this. Okay, I'm just going to do the same with my cream cheese on my other little snail. Okay, now here we go. Something that we know about snails is they have their house on their back. So to make their house, we're going to take some of the cucumber. Now this is where you're going to need an adult to help you, and you're going to need a knife. It's not a very sharp knife, so we're going to be safe, but we're going to use it to cut the piece of cucumber quite thin, because if you make it too thick, your snail's going to fall over. Okay, so you have your pieces of cucumber and you're just going to stick them in there to make your snail's house. Perfect. So next we need some antenna for our snail, and this is where this little piece of celery is going to come in. I want you to take the knife again, and you're just going to cut a little strip very carefully. 2 little strips actually, to be antenna for your snail. And they are just going to stick in the top here. And there you have your little snail snack.